Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add files or attachments to Google Spreadsheets. So here I've already opened my spreadsheets, and to easily add files, you can just go to insert at the top, and here you can just scroll down until you find the smart shapes options, and you'll see on the right side in here you can see the file option. You can just click on it, and there will be this options of the file that you can add it. So you can just add the file or click on a file. For example, I'm going to add a Google slide file. Click on it, and that's it. So when I click on this cells, it will just show the preview of the file that I added. So you can just double click on it to see it, and you can also tap on this file to open the file directly from your Google Sheets. And so that's how you can add attachments or files in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.